All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I want to talk about a feature that is available on the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL right now. And I don't think a lot of people have covered this yet. I haven't seen anyone cover it yet, but it's the call screening feature. And it's actually pretty sweet. So I'm going to demo it for you right now. This is sweet, folks. Check this out. I'm going to call myself and I'll put it on speaker so you can hear how accurate Google is. So I'm going to press the call screen button.
Hi, the person you're calling is using a screening service from Google and will get a copy of this conversation. Go ahead and say why you're calling.
I'm calling about the new laptop you have for sale.
Just so it's clear, go ahead and say more about why you're calling.
Do you still have the laptop for sale? If so, I'd like to purchase it right now for $1,200.
Do you need to get a hold of them urgently?
No, it's not an emergency. Just have them call me back at 555-7295-782857.
They can't talk right now, but try calling them back later. Thanks, and goodbye.
Now, that is cool to see how well the transcript came across. I thought that was actually really fantastic. I was sitting here actually recapping, and I was thinking about, I said, man, I must have missed some things in this Google event. And lo and behold, I forgot about the call screen feature, because some of the features are not available until later on next month, but the call screen feature is available right now. So if you have a Pixel 3 or a Pixel 3 XL, you can definitely use that functionality. It is very nice. I really like that. I think a lot of people can use that. I think that's actually better. That's one of the better call screenings that I've used, because right now I use Google Voice for call screening, and obviously it's not as intuitive as that, but that is actually pretty sweet right there, folks. So it's your man Jay Will. I just wanted to demo the call screening feature on the Pixel 3, and it's also available on the Pixel 3 XL. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Take care.